At Hydraulitechs, we developed our products based on experience. We have been in the hydraulic business for 20 years and we know what is beneficial at the field. Since we started our export program in Canada, we have been approached by many companies to be our distributor in the United States and other parts of the world. And when we received a phone call from CRC, we did our research and we realized they are a very good match to be our partner in the biggest market that we call it United States.
We were initially interested in Hydraulitechs because the Hydraulitechs product line perfectly complements what we're currently doing at CRC Distribution. CRC Distribution has a great product offering right now. Adding Hydraulitechs to what we are currently offering makes us the largest distributor of this type of equipment in the market today. We work with all the people at Hydraulitechs to bring the best products possible to the market in the most complete package.
Hydraulitechs offer the complete package of component and equipment for hydraulic shop, including hydraulic cylinder bench, nut buster, automated honing machine, automated rod polisher, test unit for hydraulic cylinders, and test units for hydraulic pumps and motors. And when it comes to hydraulic shops, reliability is a very huge factor because they're going to rely on a piece of equipment that can last for a long time to be able to take advantage of this machine in the long term.
Our competitors in the marketplace cannot bring to the market all the different products that are available from CRC Distribution, including Hydraulitechs products, our rod, our tube, and all of our seals. We work with Hydraulitechs to make sure that we're bringing the finest products to the market today to both our existing customer base and future customers. We're proud to hear from our customers about the real-world impact of our products. Together with Hydraulitechs, we're making a significant difference in operational efficiencies across the industry. Our partnership with Hydraulitechs isn't just about distribution, it's about powering innovation and setting new benchmarks in the hydraulic industry.